In order to visualize Revit data in Power BI, we have to first send data from Revit to the Speckle server. For this, I'll click on the Speckle tab and I'll click on the Revit connector. So the Speckle menu will pop up in the project browser window. I can send a specific schedule or any specific category to the Speckle server, or I can send everything to the Speckle server. Let me send everything to the Speckle server. So I'll click on the send button. Now the data will be reflected in the Speckle server. So the model looks something like this. Let's jump straight into the Power BI. Here we can see a dashboard containing infographics that visually explain the room schedule. Total sum of the room area is 24,000 square feet. Sum of the room volume is 228 cubic feet. And the sum of the room parameter is 9,000 feet. When I select path 1, it is automatically highlighted in all the 3 floors and also in the charts, and I can see different parameters, like one chart shows its area, it's 50 square feet on the ground floor, other shows its volume, parameter, and we see all the 3 bars being highlighted in the visual. Now we can sync Revit data in Power BI in real time. When I modify or add data in Revit, it is automatically reflected in Power BI. I intentionally named ground floor lobby as test data, and now in Power BI you can see that it's empty. And secondly, let's change the color of the topographic surface. Right now the color is brown. Let's navigate back to the Revit and change the parameters. First, I'll rename the test data as lobby. And secondly, let's change the color of the topography as wood material for demonstration purposes. And let's verify that the data is being synced in real time. Now I will send the updated data to the Speckle server. For changes to reflect in real time in Power BI, I have to refresh Power BI. After refreshing, we see that topographic surface is a wood color surface. And ground floor lobby's data is being reflected in Power BI in real time. So we can detect errors through Power BI and change the data in Revit. So in conclusion, lean principle of visual management when integrated in BIM environment using Speckle plugin helps in better understanding, interpreting and explaining BIM data to any non-technical person.